Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. So it's time to buy Theta Network. My friends, if you want to buy Theta Network in the nowadays, so I think that's really a huge opportunity. It's really a golden opportunity for all of you to invest now in the Theta Network. You know what? What's the reason behind it? Why today I'm recommending for everybody to invest in the Theta Network, my friends. My friends, you can see here that the changes occur in the Theta network is completely. And you know what, my friends, the reality is that from the last 1 week, from the last 2 weeks, Theta network started jumping and still they are in the jumping mood. But also, my friends, I also know about that the Theta network in the previous time, the price very bad, it jumps now. In the previous time the price also very bad, it jumps, but it's not mean then you decide to sell, my friend. It's time to hold, it's time to make a huge amount of profit over Theta network. Buy now and invest more and more in Theta network. Absolutely, my friends. You know what, if they start jumping, if Theta network starts jump, so I'm sure about that they continue this jump for long term possibilities for the next 1 week, for the next 7 days and 8 days, my friends. We can't see about that, but possibilities, higher possibilities that continue this jump to the end of this month. And you know what, my friends, if you are also holder of Theta network, so I recommend for everybody that please don't decide to sell. It's time to only hold and hold. Never decide to sell before end of July, my friends. Never, my friends. Absolutely, you can see, my friends, Theta network starts jumping, and from the price chart that's clear that very, you can see, my friends, they are going to the moon. Absolutely, that's a really a massive jump of the Theta network. I really appreciate, my friends. And you know what, when I look this kind of changes over in any cryptocurrency, so I'm feeling very good. 44.36%, 44.36% the price increased just in the last 1 week, my friends. So now I think Theta network is going to the moon, my friends. So congratulations, just hold it, and thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.